What we're going to do now is talk about the marinades and putting the meat in the marinades. We're going to start with the dry and put it on the meat first. What you do, you already have your meat cut up. We've cut that up earlier, and in the slices and the long pieces, and we want to take some of the little thin pieces and put in here. And then we put a little turkey in here, a little sliced turkey we did earlier. Like I said earlier, one of the main ingredients is your curing salt. Again, this is about a teaspoon per 5 pounds of meat. And this is basically sodium nitrate. And then we're also going to use regular salt. And this regular salt is just sodium, and then it basically helps draw some of the moisture out of the meat. But the sodium nitrate is what actually does the curing. It's a curing agent. But it's a natural mined mineral. It's it's not going to harm you. It's good for you in moderation. And then we're going to add just a little bit of white salt, and this is non-iodine salt, and a little black pepper, just the paprika if you'd like. Just about any kind of dry ingredients that you want, you can put on this meat. Of course, onion powder, I like that. And then I always like to put some coarse ground pepper on it. It really makes it taste good. And then what you do, you just mix it up a little bit, make sure you coat it real good on all the pieces. Now you're ready to put a lid on this and put it in the refrigerator for about 24 hours.